guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am here with another Boxycharm unboxing. This is the March Boxycharm. So there were a lot of great things in this box and I'm excited to show you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. Alrighty guys, so here is what's in my Boxycharm this month. The theme is called Lucky. I already took a look at some of the box and it really doesn't tie in with St. Patrick's Day, but yeah, I think it was just because it's March, but it's really cute. I did take a look at the products in this box and I have two of them to start that are going to be like more on the skincare route. So that's why I have no makeup on and excuse all the breakouts. Yeah, my skin was really going through it this time, but it's fine. Hopefully it's on its way to clearing up. Anyways, they did send some eye patches. This is by the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. It says avocado and green tea infused eye patches will hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. So that's cool. I always love eye patches. Don't know if they do too much, but they're always nice to just use like in a skincare routine. These retail for $18. This is really cool. I thought there was just like one set of them, but there's actually 3 of them, so that's exciting. That's really awesome. For 18 bucks, that's actually kind of a good deal. Okay, these are really cute. They definitely look like little avocados. Oops. Anyways, I'm gonna put these on my eyes here and just really get them close to my eye, but not actually in my eye because that would definitely hurt. It says to leave on for 15 minutes. You can leave them on for however long. It doesn't really matter with things like this. Honestly, you could probably leave them all day if you really wanted to. So that feels really nice and cooling. So we'll let that sit on there for a little bit and then I'll be right back. Okay, it's been about like, I don't know, 20 minutes or so because I just ate some breakfast, but yeah, these were really nice. They slipped a little bit, so I had to keep pulling them up, but other than that, they were really nice, and my eyes look hydrated and glowy, so I don't know. You can't really tell with eye masks. I mean, they pretty much all do the same thing, but yeah, I really liked them. No complaints. They were really nice, and I get to enjoy 2 more others, so that's cool. Next product in the box I was super excited to receive. This is from the Glow recipe, which I love that brand. They are amazing. This is the Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream, calming and hydrating, which sounds amazing for my skin because I definitely need all the calming and hydrating that I can possibly get. It says it's a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. A non-acne genic, making it especially good for sensitive skin, which I definitely have sensitive skin, with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. Anyways, it says your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin, and this retails for $39, so definitely exciting. The thing that I have on my skin right now is my oil and SPF that I applied after I washed my skin this morning. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's so adorable. I love this little packaging. It's so cute. I was actually expecting this to be a lot more liquidy, but it came out just like this, where it's like pretty firm and not slipping off my finger, so that's interesting. Just all over my skin. Smells nice. Smells exactly like banana. Which I don't really even like eating bananas, but the smell of banana, anything, is delicious to me. I know that's really random, but it smells super good. And yeah, it definitely feels lightweight. Like it doesn't feel like my skin is heavy by any means. My skin looks really good, hydrated, so that's awesome. Love that. Honestly, the thing with skincare is you can't really tell how well it's gonna work when you just try it out for the first time. It's kind of like one of those things that you have to constantly retry, but I will definitely be using this very often because I love the way my skin looks and feels right now. It feels very hydrated, so yeah, I love it so far. So the next product in this box is by the brand Lime Crime. This is the Venus Volume 3 palette. I think that's a 3. Don't ever understand these numbers. But yeah, let's see. It is a palette filled with lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthy brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. So it retails for $38. The packaging is really cute on the outside, a little bulky on the sides, but I kind of see where their intentions are with this. And it comes with a nice mirror, and these colors are definitely stunning. Look how gorgeous. Lots of purples. I love the tones of this, very spring. I love the lavender tones on there, and these sparkly shades are stunning and gorgeous. So yeah, let's go ahead and try these out. I did already prime my eyes with an eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to speed through this part and just point at the colors so we can get a move on with this video. And I'm just gonna do an eye look depending however this turns out. Okay guys, I really like that palette. I wasn't really sure, just kind of looking at the initial palette of it, like I wasn't really sure if it was something that was going to go on nice or anything, but it went on beautifully, especially that purple sparkly shade. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I don't think it's picking up quite as much on camera, but in person it's very sparkly and it looks like extremely like fairy dust. I love it. I'm just gonna clean up the fallout under my eyes here and just clean up the sides of the eyeshadow. And then what I'm gonna do, since there's no more base products in the box here, I am just going to do the rest of my makeup, and I have 2 more products to finish up the look. Okay, got the rest of my makeup on. I use all Jacqueline Cosmetics blush, bronzer, highlighter, etc. You can check out my last video for all those, but that's my skin. And then my foundation is Physicians Formula. It's discontinued, so I'm not even gonna tell you guys. Whatever, but I love that foundation. Anyways, the last 2 products I have are a lip product and then a setting spray. Okay, so this is a lip oil by the brand Cab, K-A-B. It says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Yeah, so it retails for $20 and I got the shade Rum Punch. So I'm interested if other people got some of the 6 other shades or if they just sent the 1 shade to everyone. Since this is just a lip oil, I'm probably just going to put on a lip liner and then put on the lip oil right on top of it. So here it is right here. A really cute packaging. I love that you can see the product right inside and it looks like it has a huge doe foot applicator. But yeah, really cute. I love this packaging. I'm just gonna line my lips really fast with my Color Pop Lippy Pencil in the shade Good and Plenty. Okay, this lip oil should be really nice because my lips are honestly pretty damn dry. So let's try it out. Oh yeah, that goes on super glossy. Smells really good. Smells like I should be on a beach somewhere. Love that. Makes my lips look plump. I love them. Not sticking together, which sometimes definitely can happen with any sort of lip gloss. I really never owned a lip oil, so this is really nice. Look at my lips, they're very juicy and plump. Okay, and then last but not least, we have a setting spray by the brand Maven Beauty. This is a rose water setting spray. Never heard of this brand in my entire life, but it says, set your intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed with rose water setting spray mist. Spray it all over your face, lock it down to prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. That's a big claim, but maybe. Anyways, it retails for 22 bucks. This is a very fluorescent orange bottle, so I really like this packaging. I don't really have anything like that. I'm just gonna shake it up and spritz it all over my face. Okay. My dramatic fan. Okay, so setting spray smells really good. I definitely have some setting sprays that smell gross, so this one smelled awesome, and my skin looks nice and set. I like that it melted all my powders together because I was really itching to spray a setting spray on my makeup after I put on all the powder and stuff. But yeah, this really set down my makeup. But yeah, guys, I just totaled everything up from this box, and it totals up to be $137. So that is amazing. Like I said, and I'll say it over and over again, even if you just like one product from this box, it is worth your money. 25 bucks a month. And yeah, you get to try out a bunch of different makeup. Like I said, I haven't heard of some of these brands, so it's always nice to branch out and try out different ones and just see kind of what they're about, and also try some of the other brands that are very familiar and not have to spend all your money on those products by testing them out. So very exciting box. I really can't say that I hated anything. Honestly, I really liked everything, especially the eyeshadow and the lip gloss, lip oil. Amazing. I love those. Yeah, and honestly, everything was really good. I'm excited about the moisturizer, the setting spray, and the eye mask were a really nice bonus too. So yeah, I definitely like how this look turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe.